Now to the latest on that FBI search of former President Donald Trump's Mar-a-Lago estate. A federal magistrate ordered a redacted version of the affidavit to be released by today.
Well, the affidavit, the contents that led to the magistrate to authorize the raid on Trump's home, is considered a roadmap to the Department of Justice's national security investigation into how Trump removed and secured these documents. But it's expected that large portions of this will be blacked out. So here's ABC's Jay O'Brien to talk all about it.
A federal magistrate in Florida, the same judge who signed off on the search warrant executed on former President Trump's Mar-a-Lago estate, has ordered the Department of Justice to release a redacted copy of the affidavit that led to the raid. In his ruling Thursday, the judge said he agrees that the Department of Justice has a compelling reason and good cause to seal portions of the affidavit. He also said the government's proposed redactions are narrowly tailored to serve the government's legitimate interest. Considered a roadmap to the DOJ's investigation, the affidavit will likely have heavy redactions to protect the sources and methods used by investigators looking into how 27 boxes with at least 11 sets of highly classified materials remained at Trump's Florida estate, even after one of Trump's lawyers had stated in June that all classified materials had been returned.
It's an effort to strike a balance by the magistrate between, on one hand, the government's desire to keep its investigation intact and public's interest in knowing what this is all about.
The Department of Justice told the court a heavily redacted affidavit could be meaningless to the public, but the filing could shed light on the months of negotiations between the government and Trump's team to return the documents and the legal justification for the Mar-a-Lago raid.
The fact that this had markings like top secret, sensitive compartmented information is really terrifying from an intel perspective.
Trump has demanded an unredacted copy of the affidavit be released, but his lawyers never made that argument in court. Republicans calling for transparency.
I want to get to the truth, but I will be honest with you here. It's hard to justify what the Department of Justice did here, in my opinion.
And Trump's lawyers face a different deadline in a different Florida federal court. The Trump-appointed judge there asking them by today to clarify their argument that she has the authority to and should appoint a special master, an independent outside official, to go through the documents seized from Mar-a-Lago instead of the Department of Justice. Jay O'Brien, ABC News, Washington.